Preview it.
Here's the 3-step method to lose fat and look like Brad Pitt. Avoiding tasteless foods and endless cardio. Step 1. Mindset. Losing fat isn't a race, it's a marathon. The people who win are the ones who keep things simple. Basically, follow diets, workouts, and habits that are sustainable for 1, 10, or even 100 years. That's the cool mindset. Step 2. Nutrition. Ask yourself, what made me fat? Tough question. Let me answer. More food. But solving this is pretty fucking simple.
Calorie deficit.
Eat less food than a broke college student, and you're good. You're more than good if you're eating more protein, more protein, more protein. Well, that's a lot. So screenshot this and eat these foods. I bet people will say you got shredded by accident.
Stay fucking hard!
Step 3. Workouts. To stay hard, you have to put more pressure on your muscles progressively. Science proves that progressive overload is the only way to build muscle. So whatever excuse or exercise you're doing, whether it's hamstring curls, walks, deadlifts, or even yoga, focus on increment. Simple. Step 4. Recovery. After you're done with exercising, your body will be screaming from pain. So you have to sleep 7 to 8 hours max. Now, if you got bigger balls than Eddie Hall and you're not a pussy, follow this for 1 month. And if you don't see results, DM me on IG and I'll give you access to my private community for free.